In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text position in DaVinci Resolve. By the end, you'll be able to nudge titles exactly where you want them using two simple methods: precision controls in the inspector and an intuitive on-screen drag. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load the timeline that contains your title. Click to select your text clip so the software knows which element you want to edit. This can be either a standard text clip or a text plus clip. Both work for positioning. Make sure the clip on your timeline is highlighted so its settings become available. Next, look to the top right of the interface and open the inspector panel. If you don't see it, it's likely just hidden. Toggle it on so you can access the controls. Inside the inspector, switch to the Title tab. This is where the core text settings live, including layout and positioning. Now use the position controls to place your text. Position X moves your title left and right, while position Y moves it up and down. As you adjust the sliders, watch the viewer to see the change in real time. Small gradual movements usually work best, especially if you're trying to align a lower third or center a headline. If you overshoot, simply bring the slider back until it feels right. This method is great when you want consistent, repeatable values across multiple clips. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can position your text directly on the screen. Start by confirming your text clip is still selected in the timeline so the on-screen controls affect the right element. Then, in the viewer, click the small transform icon in the bottom left corner. This turns on the on-screen transform overlays for the selected clip. With transform active, click and drag your text right in the viewer to move it exactly where you want it. You'll see the title follow your cursor as you place it, perfect for quick adjustments or when your eye guides you better than numbers. Take a moment to fine-tune the placement so it complements your footage and doesn't clash with important elements in the frame. That's it. Use the inspector's position X and Y for precision, or the on-screen transform tool for fast, intuitive placement. You can switch between them at any time, letting you dial in both accuracy and speed. When you're happy with the result, you're done. Your text is now positioned cleanly and professionally in DaVinci Resolve.